Hi, I'm Lily. Welcome to Adnan's Crafting. I had this plan yesterday. I was gonna go to the store and find something that I could use as a base for a dice rolling tray. And then I would spend most of the day today here in the studio and just create one, you know, from start to finish, and the entire project would be done. Let's let that sink in for a moment. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you already know that I have a habit of making everything so incredibly complicated for myself. But yesterday I found this. This is a lid, actually, for like you can have a storage thingy. I don't know why the lid is on the bottom. It makes no sense to me, but okay. So I only bought the lid because I was like, I don't need a box to be able to roll dices, you know? I felt pretty good with myself, and I left the store with not too many things, even though this was the second time this week I was in that store, and I should not go into that store because I always spend too much money. But came home with this. Why did I not buy the box? Because if I had the box, then that could be storage. Like, I could put all dices and cards and everything, and like, and then like storage. But no, I bought a lid, and then I went back to the store today for the third time this week. But it was okay. I reasoned that this would be fine because I am just only gonna get the box. Nothing else. They didn't have the box. Instead of getting the box that I was after, you know, the bigger box, I got two smaller ones. 'Cause that's logical, right? No, okay, I know. I need to explain this. But see what I was talking about, the whole like using as storage kind of thing? Well, two's better than one. I don't know how that would help. But I was also thinking, these have little cute lids too. So these little lids would have like the possibility to put dices in them to like keep track of, and I'm talking Warhammer now, so keep track of turn, command points, victory points, objective pointy thingies, all that stuff. Times 2. Oh, and you know what? This one actually came with cards. No, I'm just joking. Of course I'm joking. What the hell? No, but it's so cool. My lovely Turnit cards, they can be in it. And it's like on the millimeter that it actually fits. I love it. It's so cool. Oh. no point with this at all. But it looks cool. It's all cozy. So my, quick one-day project, it kind of ended up being a little bit longer. But for right now, I have split it into 3 parts. So the very first part is the bottom area where we're gonna just throw dices, And the second part, when that's done, is to do the top. And I do have a plan. I will get into that. And the third part is what on earth I'm gonna do with the little, boxes. And I don't know. So I'm gonna do my very best to not start here and then return here. Instead, I'm gonna try to just finish this part. So I'm gonna start with adding this to the inside all the way around so that throwing the dices against the edge won't be as noisy. These have the wrong color, but that's fine because they're going to be covered with this afterwards. And after that, the last part is to glue this one in place. It's glorious. I don't like this. Why is this here? There you go. See? Oh my god, fucking happy noises. I'm sorry. Cursing and everything, but look at this. Right? You can just be like, oh, I will roll on this little area because I don't want to make crazy noises and end up with all the dice on the floor, like maybe I sometimes manage, perhaps? I'm gonna use this every game and just be like, this is mine. Only I roll my dice here. project turned out to be a little bit longer and a little bit more time consuming than I wanted to admit to myself in the beginning. But it is finished and I can't wait to have a game and just see how it is to use these things, because it's gonna be fun. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more weird stuff that I do, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye. Let's see if I get good luck from this. Not quite. Oh, so many ones. Magic. Are you my player too? I'm so really loving. Come. I always want to like do more creations. What just happened with my brain? I always want to make it. It happened again. If you've ever been on this. Hi, vad fan i målbrott, ja. Welcome to Nell's Crafting. I'm Lily. Classy. Sturdy and firm. Hard. I could whack someone over the head with it. Okay, no. Sorry. Not running around. That doesn't work. And I think it's gonna work very well as a tray rolling dice. No, God, this is not working well. Oh God, that guy.